Hello, folks, and welcome to Author Adjacent, a show about the journey from hobbyist writer to professional author. I am your host, Michael Vadney, and today I'm coming at you with another unboxing. This time, I won a book, which has been very exciting. I entered into the Rebels and Rogues giveaway that was ran by Andy Peliquin, as well as 11 other authors who all put up 3 different books, and they got a bunch of people winning for that, and I happened to be one of the lucky winners to receive one of the books that were put up. I was eventually contacted by, I'm sorry if I butcher your name, Maurice Africh, and he let me know that I won Cello Gate, and I got it in. It's here. I'm ready to go. So I hope you're ready to enjoy it with me. I know this is very exciting to watch. Let's see how this goes. Whoa. All right, guys, I think that just goes to show that unboxings are hard. I now have a much greater respect for anybody who does these. So good job, people. You make it look easy. I'm going to try my best here to do what I can as I reach strangely around this little mic setup that I got here. But I wanted to give you guys the full experience. I do have a knife here, safety first if required. So be careful, people. But we're just going to open this up. Let's get into it. First of all, actually, before we open it up, I love this color. This just outward packaging is immediately eye-catching. As soon as I saw it in my mail, I was like, "Whoo, that's for me!" And it's exciting. So let's get into it. See if I can. Very easy to peel. Do appreciate that. Might not need a knife on this one. We'll see. Oh, now I may have spoke too soon. Oh wait, no way. There we go. The adhesive was struggling with me. Get out of here, wire. You're not part of the show. You're not the star today. All right, and more. Oh my god, it is like a present. I make a joke all the time that I'm always unwrapping these like they're Christmas gifts, but this one took it a little bit of step further, so that's all right with me. Okay, let's get in here. Let's see. Can I just undo the bow? Wow, this is actually a really good knot. He did a great job with this. But I'm just gonna cheat and go around it like that. Get that ribbon off. Oh, that actually came off really easy after I did that. Oh, can I get it? Can I get it? Can I slide it off? Having a little bit of a struggle here. And boom, get that out of there. And full Christmas. Oh my god, actually this wrapping paper is giving me a run for my money. Oh, this is a thick chunker here. Ooh. Get that out of the way. Oh man, look at that. This is stunning. Oh, the red. Now I can see why the red. You got the ship in the background here, but just all these beautiful colors. Ah, I hope I can flip this a little easier with the video so that it actually shows the text correctly here, because right now it's not doing so hot on that, but we'll see. Maybe I can flip it around. Oh, I see some goodies here at the bottom are teasing at me, but that's all right. Let's just admire this cover real quick. We got the 3 main characters right there. Some beautiful typography. This is just absolutely stunning. The Sky Pirates of Imperia. Nice. Cello Gate, not cello. What am I thinking here? And then the back cover right here. Yeah, this whole thing looks stunning. All right, let's open her up. Get this out of the way. Apparently we didn't need you. So let's pop it open. Oh, look at all these things. Stay sturdy, friend. Oh, I love that. That's super cool. I think that is their ship. Ah, man, I love all the little like stickers and little book arts that you can get with all these things. And you can never have enough bookmarks, which again, the beautiful art from the cover here. Well, freedom doesn't make life easy, but it does make life worth living. I like that. I like the message. And we're going to get to that in a second. let's see, Gray and Min and Dot and Farlow and Mars and Willow and Bones. I'm wondering if this is the names of the characters in the crew. I actually don't know much about this book. I'm going to go into it blind, which I love doing. And I love that. I love getting like these little signatures on the books and stuff like that. Just that personal taste that you can really get from a lot of indie authors when you get their books directly from them. Almost always they're like, heck yeah, man, I'll sign it. But man, this thing is beautiful. It's a chunky book too. It's got some thickness to it, but it's beautiful. It's got some flop to it. Oh, wow. I actually really like the really big lettering at the bottom to let me know what page number I'm on here. Oh, let me get that better in the camera. There we go. But yeah, this is a chunky book. Oh, all the chapters. Oh, wait, get back here. Where'd it go? All right, hold on. I'll flip more. Oh, yeah. All the chapters have these little moons. Are they all the same? Yeah, they are, but they look great. This is fantastic. Woo. There we go. All right. I want to thank Maurice. Thank Andy Peliquin for putting on this giveaway, the Rebels and Rogues giveaway. And this is absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking around for this. And hopefully I'll get a little better at these as time goes on. Peace.